What is up, my YouTube nerds? It's your coding bro Mono Man Codes here, bringing you part 3 in our Intro to Kotlin series. In this video, I'll be going over for loops and the syntax needed to write for loops in Kotlin. Let's begin by opening up IntelliJ. Create a new project. Select Java, select Kotlin, hit next, and as always, let's just do third tutorial. Just keep things the same. Alright, we'll just go here, click on source, new Kotlin file, call it main. Okay, so we do fun main, right? Main function there. So as always, if you've seen my C++ series, I go over for loops. So what we it's pretty much the same structure wise. So we do for, and then your iteration, and make sure it's within its own body statement, and then the code you want to run. So let's do a quick example here. So let's do for I in 1.5 print line I. So your iteration, if you want to iterate through, set numbers, you do for your, variable I, then you do in, then you start your X, so wherever you want to start, dot Y is wherever you want to stop, right? Always make sure that X is less than Y. If for some reason X is greater than Y, instead of the two dots, you'll do X down to Y. So it decrements instead of incrementing up to Y. So our basic example for I in 1.5 should make it so that I is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then at the very end 5. We can show this by clicking on the green button there, green triangle, having it run real quick. Yep, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if we do print, as stated in the first video, it'll just do all of them on the same line. Yep. But I tend to just do print line, just to see it more clearly. Right. So then, let's say we do have for I in 5.1 print line. Let's change that. Say A. Right. Now if you actually do print that and run, it's not going to print anything. But it will give you, it will like highlight this like this is incorrect. So what we do is, lowercase down, so down to, right? Kotlin already helps us with, showing like what we start typing do, gives us, other functions. So down to an int, down to a byte, down to a long, or down to a short. It's just, for this case, it's just an integer, so it's down to. And we run it once more. Let's separate those for a bit. Yep, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's say in your program you want to actually, do 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, skipping every, even number. You can do that simply by doing for, let's just call this odd in 1 dot 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 2 dots, not 3. Do 1 dot dot 12. So this is our basic setup. What we add on to is just step 2, right? So it'd be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Print line. Oh, print line. Let's make these print so we don't have to go scrolling all the way down. Odd. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ooh. That's where I messed up there. Try it once more. Just adding a space between the second example and the third example. Yep, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Descending. And then we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So it skips every even because of our step. So it does 1, then does 1 plus 2, and does that plus 2, and then, increases it by 2 each time. You can do the even case just by doing 0 dot dot 12. Starts at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And I believe that's pretty much wraps up for my for loop video. Just a basic introduction, just showing you what the syntax is for basic for loop, and then how to do a decreasing for loop, so 5 down to 1, or a for loop that you're skipping steps, so just add step to your pre-existing for loop. So let's do step 3. It goes, increases it by 3. Yep. Yep, so 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Right. That pretty much wraps up this video. Next Monday I'll be going over while loops and how Kotlin handles while loops. As always, if you found this content enjoyable or informative, feel free to comment down below or comment and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me or comment down below. As always, stay nerdy. See you guys.